Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing the battery in my first generation iPod, and if you haven't seen part 1 where I open the iPod and test it, you'll want to watch that first. It's been a few weeks since I opened the iPod and I didn't want to put the back on again, so it's been stored away to stay safe. This is what arrived in the mail today, my package with the battery. The battery's packaging actually looks pretty nice. But for nearly 50 Canadian dollars, I think it should at least look nice. And here's the battery. Let's just check and make sure there's nothing left. And it's empty. Let's get this battery installed. Look at that, it's already powering on, and I didn't even have to touch it. Still works, good as new. Let's get this thing put back together and then charge it up. You've got to make sure the battery is aligned properly before you put the back on, otherwise you could have issues. The therapeutic clicks. Now it's time to charge it up and see how long the battery lasts. Let the races begin. After some careful calculations from when the iPod died that was keeping the time and the classic, I decided that it lasted 13 and a half hours. Wow, that's an approximate time, but it's about 3.5 hours longer than Apple would have suggested back in 2001. So that's actually pretty good. This was a screenshot I took right before the iPod keeping the time died, but somehow I lost all the footage. It can now join the eternal collection. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.